A group of soccer players at Western Michigan University will not have to get vaccinated now to keep playing for their school. WMU and the student athletes have now reached an agreement saying the school must accommodate religious exemptions to its vaccination policy.
Their attorney telling our Michael Martin that the results of this case will have far-reaching legal implications.
Obviously, our clients are ecstatic over this. I mean, now this cloud is off their, from hanging over their heads. It's gone.
4 Western Michigan University soccer players who refused to get a COVID-19 vaccine, citing their personal religious beliefs, will stay on the team and will not be required to get vaccinated against the virus moving ahead.
This was an agreement between Western Michigan and us on behalf of our clients. It was a stipulated consent judgment that we just simply submit to the court. And unless the judge sees some reason not to, the judge will sign it.
The 4 women sued the university back in August after WMU instituted a vaccine requirement for all of their student athletes. They submitted requests for religious exemptions, but were denied at the time.
Obviously, Western Michigan felt the vaccine was important and that they wanted all their athletes vaccinated. That was the dispute.
But their suit gained support in the courts, with a U.S. district judge granting a temporary ban on the vaccine requirement, and an appeal went to the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals, which said in an order, quote, having announced a system under which student athletes can seek individualized exemptions, the university must explain why it chose not to grant any to plaintiffs, and it did not fairly do so here.
And once the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals in Cincinnati ruled, well, the only place left to go is the U.S. Supreme Court. And Western decided they would live with the decision at the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals.
And so, with that ruling, the university and attorneys for the women came together and reached an agreement. WMU saying Tuesday in part, quote, the settlement entails the students in the suit being awarded permanent relief from the athletics vaccine mandate, although they will continue to abide by testing and masking requirements.
We're just glad that some common sense has prevailed at this point, and Western is on board with this decision, as well as our clients, and so everybody can move on from here.
Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.
And this decision could set a precedent for other policies moving forward. The attorney for the women says his firm plans to file multiple other lawsuits in the coming weeks against companies in West Michigan regarding their own vaccine requirements.